Hello everyone, welcome back to Rides Book. We are going to today talk about the 2025 Toyota MJ Cruiser pickup. Is a dynamic fusion of rugged performance, cutting-edge technology, and bold design, offering everything you need for both work and play. Built to tackle tough terrains while providing a sleek and modern ride, the MJ Cruiser is poised to redefine the pickup segment with its impressive capabilities and unmatched versatility. Whether you're heading out for an off-road adventure or navigating city streets, this vehicle is engineered to deliver. Under the hood, the 2025 MJ Cruiser pickup is equipped with a powerful, turbocharged engine designed to deliver exceptional performance. With its robust towing capacity, high ground clearance, and advanced suspension system, the MJ Cruiser is engineered to handle everything from heavy loads to rough trails. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced with a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, ensuring that you can go anywhere with confidence. Plus, its advanced drivetrain offers smooth, responsive handling both on and off the beaten path, making it the ultimate adventure-ready pickup. The exterior design of the 2025 Toyota MJ Cruiser pickup makes a striking statement wherever it goes. With its muscular stance, bold grille, and aggressive front fascia, the MJ Cruiser conveys strength and readiness for action. The truck's aerodynamic lines and dynamic contours not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its performance by improving fuel efficiency. Its durable bed, versatile cargo options, and all-terrain wheels make it the perfect partner for both work and leisure. Whether parked in the driveway or taking on rugged trails, the MJ Cruiser is sure to turn heads. Inside, the 2025 MJ Cruiser pickup blends practicality with luxury. The spacious cabin features premium materials, intuitive controls, and cutting-edge technology. Comfortable seating for 5, a high-tech infotainment system with a large touchscreen, and easy connectivity options ensure that every drive is as enjoyable as it is productive. The truck's interior is designed with durability in mind, featuring weather-resistant upholstery and an ergonomic layout that's both functional and stylish. Thoughtful storage solutions, including hidden compartments and ample cargo space, complete the cabin, making it ideal for both long journeys and everyday errands. The 2025 MJ Cruiser pickup doesn't just deliver power, it's also impressively fuel efficient. Thanks to its advanced hybrid drivetrain options and aerodynamic design, the MJ Cruiser achieves a perfect balance between performance and economy. This allows drivers to enjoy extended trips without worrying about fuel stops, making it an ideal choice for those who need a reliable workhorse without sacrificing efficiency. The 2025 Toyota MJ Cruiser pickup is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. With unmatched performance, rugged design, and modern comforts, this pickup is built for those who demand the best of both worlds. Whether you're taking on tough tasks, heading out on an off-road adventure, or simply enjoying the ride, the MJ Cruiser is ready to take you there in style and comfort. The future of pickups is here, and it's ready to cruise.